If you've already hit that notification bell, then you know exactly what I'm doing. Y'all saw on my previous videos where I did my blocking and I put that edging primer on so that I could sand it down and see exactly where my low spots were. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing today on this bed panel. I've already got both bed sides somewhat blocked down, but what I wanted to go ahead and show you guys exactly what kind of sandpaper I use. Okay, now this is a roll of sticky back. This right here I picked up, this is 320. That's what I normally block with, so I don't have to worry about going over it more and more times. I can simply block this with the 320 and go over with 600 grit water sandpaper after I put another coat on there, and then go ahead and shoot my sealer, my base, and then my clear. Or in this case, I'll be doing the mid coat too. All my products that I've got here, I purchased from O'Reilly's. The part number for the sandpaper, this is the 320, this is the gold. It's 02591. I'll go ahead and show you that right there. Now, that's the sandpaper that I like to use because it really does good and it sticks to my block. Now, if you want to go ahead and pick up some blocks, the block that I'm using, of course, is not in the pack, but 05692, you can see right there. Since the last video on the blocking, I wanted to go ahead and put this video out showing you exactly where you can go. O'Reilly's, the part number on both my 320 sticky back gold sandpaper and the part number on my block kits, which you can also run down to the local parts store. Recommend O'Reilly's and get that because that's where I purchased it. So go ahead, go down to your local O'Reilly's, pick up the block. Okay, once you finish water sanding your bed panel, which I've not finished yet, but I have a small area, you can spray water over that area. And as the water starts to settle in and smooth out, you can look down at your bed panel and make sure, or any panel that you water sanded for that matter, and check and make sure you have no issues or any mistakes that you've looked over. But that's one good way of looking at it, because you know once the water's on there, that's how it's going to look when the clear's on there. So other than just the ripples from where the water's running down, you can really look down at your bed panel or your body panel, whichever it is, and see if there's any dings, dents, scrapes, any flaws that you may have missed. I've got my 600 grit water sandpaper, my sponge pad, the part number 05526, if y'all want to go to O'Reilly's and pick that up. And basically I'm just going to water sand this down. Now I've already blocked this with the 320, so now it's time to do the water sandpaper. So I'm going to water sand it down, get it all smooth, get all them scratches out, and then we're going to put some sealer on there and get our base, mid coat, and so on and so forth. So, time to get this thing watered. We've got our bed in here in the booth. Of course, we've already blocked the bed panels. We've already water sanded it. So now it's ready for us to go ahead and wipe it down and start shooting some sealer on here, the base coat, the mid coat, and the clear coat. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hang up my fenders first. I've got my hood in here. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Start shooting some sealer, some base coat, some mid coat, and some clear. Okay guys, well I didn't get to do a video on actually shooting the paint products on the bed after it was ready. I thought I was filming, but the camera actually had died and got none of the footage. But I did lay on my sealer in white, my white Olympic white base, my pearl mid coat, and then my clear coat. So I've got about 6 coats of clear on top of this. So now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to water sand it down and buff it. And then the video that's coming out next will be spraying the Raptor liner on the inside, which you can get a little bit of a glimpse now. But thank you all for watching. Hit that notification bell, which is up there, and the subscribe button, which I think is down there as well. But also you can go ahead and hit the little avatar of me at the top and subscribe to the channel. And I really appreciate you guys for subscribing and getting me where I am right now and getting my videos out. Go ahead and share, like, and comment if you have any questions on anything y'all saw in my video or previous videos. Thanks for watching.